How to create a Pinterest account. So if you want to create a Pinterest account, then first of all open up a browser and then simply go for the search bar and search for Pinterest. And then go for the first search, which is www.pinterest.com. And now you can simply go for sign up, which is on the upper right. And here you need to enter your email address here on the first blank. And then simply create a password. So make sure to enter a strong password. And now you need to create or enter your date of birth. So after entering it, simply click on continue, or you can also continue with your Facebook or your Google. So you will have these options, or you can also enter your email address and then password and your date of birth and click on continue. And that's it. That's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.